I'd like you to meet James, Linda, Matt, Will, and Mike. Oh, and that's me. I'm JP. We're on a pretty wild adventure, flying the planes we built across the Atlantic Ocean to America. Our aim is to travel 8,000 miles from Johannesburg, South Africa to Oshkosh, Wisconsin in under 10 days, all to attend the world's largest air show. This is day 5.
Coffee is the only thing that gets a pilot going in the morning. That and avgas.
Are you nervous?
Not as nervous as the crossing.
The first one?
Yeah, that had me pretty nervous, but...
I would be more nervous if I was you.
For this one.
Today's flight is a big one. We're flying 13 hours out to sea to avoid the most severe part of a large convective tropical storm that's right in between us and our destination. We're on our way to Cape Verde, which is in the main development area for North Atlantic hurricanes. And yeah, it happens to be hurricane season. Believe it or not, this is actually pretty good weather for this part of the world, and we have a limited window to make use of it. We could wait weeks for another break in the weather, so this is the best chance we have at making Oshkosh on time.
Obviously on rating, cleared for takeoff on runway 21, wind 270 degrees 05 knots.
Got clear takeoff on reaching and got the wind 0 for Whiskey and Company. Okay guys, good luck everybody.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, happy.
Everything's good, we're on the right tank, got quantity.
Everybody looking good?
Yep, we are. I'm good.
Lovely calm day so far. Bit of a headwind, but the sea's very calm.
So as you cut that corner at Inaka there, James, your tailwind should increase quite a bit.
You're right. We're on 1291 back up now, guys.
You want to try 1291 and then we can try to reach that other guy again if you want.
Jonathan says he's seeing 10 knots at 5,000 and 10 knots at 10,000. So we can make a choice.
Behind us.
Yeah, for the next part of the leg, tailwinds.
Why don't you go, JP, and let us know?
Alright, I'll be the guinea pig.
Are those guinea pig noises?
Sounds like a dying guinea pig. Okay, happy days at 10,000 with a 10-knot tailwind. So great job, Jonathan.
So good. I mean, we have been unbelievably lucky with the weather, guys.
So far.
Long may it continue.
Yeah, it's crazy how quick the world just starts to look very mad and angry. Like the color of the ocean, everything.
You remember that night we were standing in the hangar? We were like, just imagine when we're going to be out over the ocean, dodging storms. And that was just a quiet little night at the airport.
I think the craziest thing is that in 14 days we're going to be over the Atlantic Ocean in this airplane.
It's hard to know what's ahead of us. It could also just be rain, but it could be more. To the left looks worse. To the right looks worse. So all we can really do is aim and go. I'm picking up the first few raindrops. He hasn't replied to me in 35 minutes, so yeah, not sure what to do, but this is a dark wall up ahead. This is where it gets real, dude.
Throughout this flight, we have Jonathan in South Africa sending us weather updates over the satellite phone. But as we're approaching the storm, the satellite phone is becoming unreliable, and his updates are no longer getting through. In his last message, he gave us a set of coordinates that would take us further out to sea and south of the major storm. We couldn't agree on routing as a group, so we decided to split, as it tends to be best to make your own decisions in these situations. So I'm diverting using Jonathan's recommended coordinates. While this does put me clear of most of the storm, I would still have to contend with a narrow band of thunderstorms. And the plan was to have Jonathan give me more precise feedback on any embedded cells as I got closer. But since no satellite messages are getting through, I'm on my own now.
Okay, I might climb some more. I just want to be above this stuff. I am on the limit here though, so I do need to start looking for icing. Just gonna lower my seat. I don't hit my head in case we get something big. I think we've flown directly into that cell that they just texted us about. So now the only real way to deal with this is just to not speed up too much and to not get too slow and just ride it out. There's nothing quite like emerging from a storm, and it's just blue skies ahead, and now we're going to watch the sunset over the Atlantic Ocean. The level of euphoria I'm feeling right now is just unmatched.
Nice, man. It's been quite a long day, eh? 13 hours of flying. It's a long day of flying.
It's been a long few days, you know. It's been really, I probably don't do the best job of hiding it, but it's been hard.
It has been hard. Edmund yesterday was tough as well.
Yeah. This place is blowing my mind right now.
It's almost like they've been living out here sneakily.
Yeah, like quiet.
Yeah.
The lighthouse, there's a lot to explore here, actually.
Yeah. This place is beautiful.
Yeah, so cool. Alright, I better nail this landing. I haven't had a good one in a while. Yeah.
Well, that was pretty good.
That wasn't too bad.
You will be off. The mast is on the way.
Oh, I live for this shit. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. That was a long day in the air.
It's gonna sound ridiculous, and I know that we're not, but it feels like you're an explorer when you're doing this shit. Like,
yeah, you definitely feel a little bit like you're, you know, one of those early explorers going places. It's only a taste of what they did, though.
Yeah.
You fucking did it. Oh, cut. You did it.
I fucking did it.
No, well done, dude.
That was a big flight. That was way more than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, that was worth it though. So
rewarding
seeing the island.
So rewarding.